You got to write a teeny tiny summary of every hour of lecture. Teeny tiny meaning like 30 seconds. You got to write a teeny tiny summary of every reading assignment. So they say read these 5 pages, fine, but that should end with like 2 or 3 or 4 bullet points of 2 or 3 or 4 words each, which is going to facilitate your weekly review later. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, so when you do that, when you're doing your weekly review of your brilliant summaries and the stuff that was dictated to you in class, and perhaps any slides that your teacher put up that you printed out so that you didn't have to sit there like an idiot copying things off a screen, right? So you print out the slides, you stack up everything in chronological order with your reading summaries, any notes you took in class, you flip through it, you find the good stuff, and you start writing it over here in a study guide, okay? You do that a couple weeks, and then pretty soon you are like predicting what's going to be on the test.